Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email.
Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to be checking out two limited vehicles in Southwest Florida that will be coming soon. They're not in the game yet, but they will be coming this weekend, I think, according to the announcement in the Southwest Florida Discord server. Alright, so if we actually check out the announcements in the Southwest Florida Discord server here, there's a Q&A, and this was posted today. So as you guys can see, what cards will be limited is the Lamborghini Reventan, I think that's how you say it, correct me if I'm wrong, and the 930 flat nose. They'll cost whatever it costs in real life. The update's coming out this weekend, as you guys can see. So yeah, update should be coming this weekend. That's probably when the two limited cars will come, but let's actually check them out right now. Alright, so if we head back to the Trellaway here, there is a 2009 Lamborghini Reventan, I think that's what it's called. But this is a limited vehicle, as you guys can see right here. Limited. It is testing in dev right now, and there might actually be an interior in this car because it is a convertible. So if we actually check this out right here, we can see some chairs, and we could also slightly see a steering wheel or so. So there might be an interior in this car, but yeah, this car is going to be limited. Pretty nice looking car, pretty nice, but it will be limited. And another car that will be limited is the Porsche 911 flat nose. Really nice car, as you guys can see. Pretty nice. I really like that wing in the back right there, really nice. Pretty clean, neat side mirrors. I really like these rims on the car, and I love the red color on the 911 flat nose. Real nice. Overall, both really nice cars. I really like that flat nose. Really nice car. It's going to be limited, along with the 2009 Lamborghini Reventan. But yeah, both really nice cars. This is going to be a short video, but I just wanted to let you guys know that there will be two limited vehicles coming to Southwest Florida soon. Yeah, pretty short video, but I just wanted to let you guys know, keep you guys updated on the Southwest Florida future updates. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe. We are on our road to 6,000 subscribers, and make sure to leave a like. Turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love. Now this ain't just perfect time and place it best up.